Today we're going to go through my upper extremity routine. This routine I do before all of my upper body workouts. It helps warm up the shoulders and your chest and back muscles. So at the end of this warm up, it should take about 5 minutes and you should be feeling ready to start lifting. Super simple. We're going to start with neck rotations side to side. We're going to do a total of 10 to each direction. Trying to stand nice and tall, turning as far as you can to the left and to the right. Halfway there. And 10. Now we're going to do shoulder cars, palms forward, raise your shoulders up, rotate them out to the side and down. Up, rotate them out to the side and down. So keeping the palms forward on the way up, rotate the palms outwards, bring them down behind you as far as you can. 4, 6, really trying to rotate outwards, reach behind you, getting that whole joint articulation. 8. We're going for 15 on this one. 12. Shoulders should be starting to feel a little tired actually. If you're doing it properly, palms up, rotate outwards, reach back, swing through. 15. Now my neck usually feels a little tense after this, so we'll do some neck rolls. Total of 10 each side, lower half. Letting your chest come down. Finish with your ear on your shoulder. Now we're going to do scapular raises. So raising your arms up, but we're thinking about our shoulder blades doing all the work. We're not worried about what our arms are doing. So our shoulder blades are pressing our arms up, pulling our arms down. Our shoulder blades are pressing our arms up, pulling our arms down. 6. We're doing a total of 15. So you should feel those shoulder blade muscles squeezing up and down. 10. Excellent. Now we're going to do just some light forward circles. Total of 15. And then just some cross arm body. Trying to reach across your body and back. Total of 10. Opening up when you're coming out to the side. Reaching across as best as you can. I tend to switch which arm is on top each time. All right, now next one we're going to do is our medial and lateral rotation. So arms up at 90 degrees, rotate up and down as far as you can, and down. Good, shake it out. We'll do one more set of 10 for those. Arms and shoulders should be starting to feel a little bit tired now. So we'll do another set of 10 of rotations, 90 degrees, rotate back, down. Trying to think like your humerus or your arm bone is on a spit, and you're just rotating through that spit. You can do weight with that one if you like, but I feel like during my warm-up I don't need to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the 4-point position, and we're going to do thoracic rotations, thread the needle. So reach through, push that chest through, open the chest up. Push the chest through, open it up to the ceiling. This one here, don't worry so much about what your arm is doing. You're trying to use your thoracic cage, trying to think that your chest and torso is leading the movement. So I'm reaching through, threading the needle, pulling it up towards the ceiling. We're going to do a total of 15 each side. That's 8. And 15, open up to the ceiling. Switch directions, push your chest through, open it up. Four more. And then the last one we're going to do is just some spinal, thoracic, and lumbar extension. Swap your push-ups, press up, and down. 10 of these. Trying to relax your glutes, relax your lower back. Just really working on the spinal mobility right now, warming up all the joints. This one's really great for offsetting all of that sitting that we do throughout our life. Total of 10. Perfect. So there you have it. That's my warm-up routine that I do before all of my upper body workouts. That just helps to get the joints warmed up and your muscles warmed up throughout their full range of motion. Then what I would do is I would go into my warm-up sets of my exercises. So if I'm doing bench press, I would do some push-ups, I would do some bar weight, and then work my way up to my working sets. So that way I get a full, complete warm-up and I'm ready to lift.